Explain the design and planning of a sewerage system. Design and planning of sewerage system deals with the construction and planning of a sewerage which conveys sewage of a locality. It comprises of various elements as drains, manholes, pumping stations, screening chambers. The sewerage has its end point at sewage treatment plant or discharged into environment. Sewage flow in a sewerage system. The sewage is collected from the residential or industrial areas and is often mixed with rainwater. The combined sewage is then passed to the underground sewer through pumping stations and is screened through filters. The sewage finally reaches the sewage treatment facilities where the treated sewage is later discharged into the environment. The combined sewer system is one of the most common types of sewerage system used. Under dry conditions, the sewage is sent directly to the sewage treatment plant. Under wet conditions, the overflow water is sent to the river and sewer is sent to the treatment plants. Related terms are